Hey, what's up? What's up? It's Flipping Phones Dre, and what are we trying to flip today? 2021 Toyota 4Runner. Don't get more reliable than this. Got a customer looking for a reliable SUV. Wanted a 21 and up. Here you go, baby. No more reliable than this. White in color, which is exactly what she wanted. So this one is definitely on my list, huh? Hopefully we can get it. 52,000 miles. The last one I tried to get, I ain't gonna lie, they ran it up. This is the limited edition. Black leather, sunroof top. She didn't really care about the third row, which is cool. Black interior leather, which is great. It's got a lot of tailgate room. Let's go ahead and do the walk around as usual. Let's go. 52,000 miles. Personally, I think she's gonna love it. Y'all let me know in the comment section what you think. What you think about the reliability of these 4Runners, man? Can you go wrong with one? 52,000 miles. Kind of high mileage, I ain't gonna lie. They drove it for the year, but it's a Toyota, man. No dings. Few dings. Well, I didn't mean to say no dings, because there's a ding right there. But used vehicle, man. But it's in good shape. I mean, it's definitely sellable. I'm not worried about that at all. Nice wheels. Let's do the cold start. Y'all know what time it is. Gotta crank it up. If it don't crank, no bank, baby. No crank, no bank. Let's get in this thing. Cold start this thing, man. Push button, keys there. 2 keys, which is always great. Let's go. Starts right up. Sounds very nice. What we got? It look like I got a tire sensor light. It's normal. No engine light is what I look for. No engine light there at all. Continue just to get that off of the navigation looking great. I mean, hey man, it's a Toyota. We do get a little wood grain here in the limited edition. Sunroof top. AC is super cold. Let's cut it down though, man. I know y'all don't want to hear that. Nice vehicle. Engine runs great. I mean, what do you think, guys? You think she's gonna be happy with this one? I ain't gonna lie, I already know she's gonna be ecstatic with this one, because this is exactly what she wanted. Color combination, reliability, 21 or up. There you go. Right in the price range. But what you guys think? Comment section. Smash or pass? Not gonna lie, I already got a buyer, so I'm gonna definitely smash this one. But again, what you guys think? You know what I'm saying? Is it something that you'll like? You know, you like the interior? Are you already looking for one of these vehicles? I'm showing you what you're gonna get with it. You know, it's nice, man. It's a nice truck. Definitely a nice truck. Can't go wrong with the reliability. But as always, like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. You know, like the video for the algorithm, of course. And I'll be back as always, man. Again, if you're new to the channel, thanks for joining it. If you've been here since I started not too long ago, you appreciate it, baby. And I'll be back with another one. Until then, see you on the next one.